Hi, I'm Mélissa. I'm inviting you to move your body with me.
Today we are celebrating spring. It's springtime. I just learned that spring is also called the king of seasons and the queen of seasons. But let's all put on our crowns and make sure that we are sitting up nice and tall with our shoulders back as tall as we can, long necks like we are royalty. Let's start reaching over one side, say ooh. Reach over to the other side, say ah. Put one hand behind you, one hand on your knee, and twist. To the other side, one hand on your knee, one hand behind you, and twist. And open up big and say wow, 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 wow. Let's do it one more time, faster. Reach over, say ooh, ooh. Ah, ah. Twist, 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 twist. Wow, 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 wow. Something that I love about springtime is that you get to see lots of butterflies. Let's put our feet together like this into a butterfly position and flap those butterfly wings. Good. Let's bend over, reach over like you are kissing your feet. Good. And up nice and tall. Check your crown. One more time, reach over like you're gonna kiss your feet. And then sit up nice and tall, check your crown. Last time, bend all the way over. Good. And from here, let's reach over, say ooh. Reach over the other side, say ah. And twist. Other way. Twist and open up big, say wow, 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 wow. One thing I love about spring is that the flowers start to blossom. Let's smell all the beautiful wildflowers. Let's start going over this way and take it all the way to the front. Ah, smell those beautiful wildflowers. All the way to the other side. Maybe there's a little wildflower coming out of your knee. Can you sniff it? And let's go back around the other way. Sniffing all those wildflowers. Maybe there's some growing here in front of you. Maybe some on the other knee. Oh, so many beautiful wildflowers. And while we're here, let's reach over to the side. Say ooh. Reach over to the other side. Say ah. One hand behind you, maybe one hand in front or on your leg, and twist. The other way, one hand behind you, one hand on your leg or on the ground, and twist. And right here, let's open up and say wow, 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 wow. Do it again, reach over, say ooh. Other side. Twist, twist, other way, and twist, twist, and open up real wide, say wow, wow, wow. That's nice. One thing you might notice in the springtime, because there's more flowers, you might see more bees. Did you know that bees can flap their wings so fast, like 200 times a second or something? Let's see if we can flap our wings real fast. So there's a couple ways you can do this. You can leave your legs out. You can bring your legs up like this in a triangle. You can put your legs out in front of you or in a triangle with your feet off the ground. But I want you to make sure that your crowns are still on. Good. And that your back is as straight as you can have it. And we are going to, for 30 seconds, flap our wings as fast as we can. Ready? Here we go. Let's do it again. Let's put the timer on for another 30 seconds. Flap those wings as fast as you can. Ready? Set, nice and tall. Check your crowns. Go! Wow, shake that up. All right. As we mentioned earlier, something that you see a lot of in the spring are butterflies. So I'm gonna show you a dance from when I was a kid called the butterfly. This is what you do. You gotta move your knees in and out like this. Do the butterfly. Can you do it? You can add your arms. You can add your shoulders. Nice. That dance is called the butterfly. Now, for 15 seconds, I want you to dance any way you want to interpret a butterfly. Okay, 15 seconds of freestyle butterfly dance. Ready, set, go. Nice butterfly moves, very cool. All right, we also mentioned the bees. Let's see how fast we can flap our bee wings while bending and straightening our legs. That's a plie. We're gonna do a plie and releve while flapping our wings. Start with your feet together. Get ready to flap. Plie, all the way down. Come back up. Up on your toes. How fast can you flap those wings? Oh boy, my wings are tired. A real spring dream is to get to skip through a field of wildflowers. Let's do a slow motion skip through this beautiful field of wildflowers. Here we go. Uh-oh. All those wildflowers now covered in pollen. Let me see your hands. Oh yeah, there's pollen all over. All right, we gotta shake this pollen off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me hear you. Now 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Say it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's working. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Almost there. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Get that pollen off. 1, 1, 1, 1. All right. Looks like we got all the pollen off. Let's do a 15-second victory dance. Ready, set, dance. All right, it's time to cool it down. You can do this last part standing or sitting again. Let's take some deep breaths together. Let's use our hands to scoop the air around us. Again. Last one. Give yourself a squeeze. If you're with someone you love and they want to, you can give them a squeeze too. And a pat on the back. And we talked about things we love about spring. I want you to tell yourself something you love about you. All right, thank you so much for moving your body with me. Here is an idea for something you can do later. I am inviting you to make a piece of art about what you love about spring. You can use crayons or marker, paper, tape, paint. You can make a song or a dance. It could really be anything. But I want to invite you to make something special to express your feelings about what you love about spring. Thank you so much for joining me. See you next time.